Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday, most of my time was taken up by doing some work on the affiliate side of things, doing some work on the KYC side of things after our launch earlier this week. And then today, the main focus has been working on putting together a lot of information for a potential partnership we're working on. So that's been really good, just building out sort of a spreadsheet with a lot of that data. And then also working on a little bit on the paid side of things, working on our content for next week and some announcements and some advisor things as well. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hey there, Davers. So, last day of my Germany trip. Yesterday I was at the Genevieve all-member meeting. Met a lot of really interesting folks from the automotive industry, tier 1 manufacturers. Saw a lot of really cool new technology. It was really interesting and really productive. Today I'm at the W3C Automotive Working Group face-to-face meeting. We actually tackled a lot of really interesting things, but the major focus was reintegrating the work done by Volkswagen and Audi back into the main spec so that you have a common way of accessing vehicle signals no matter which vehicle you're dealing with. See you next week.
Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV and happy Independence Day to everyone in Israel at the moment. Just giving you an update. Yesterday I was working through a list of drone companies and researching different programs that they're working on to select the ones that are most suited to DAV, and still going through that process today and reaching out to people on LinkedIn and also reviewing some of the materials around ride hailing that Leo and the team have been working on, and that's about it at the moment. Thank you.
Hey everyone, so I had a great call with the folks over at Lagrange One Sky in Europe today, and there may be something fruitful that will come out of that for the DAV Alliance. The rest of today I'm devoting to nothing but media matters. I've got a lot of catch-up work to do with press and press releases, so I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys! Yesterday I finished a new page on our site, Term of Use and Privacy Policy. Also I'll make new footer for our site. Today I'll make new colorized illustration for our protocol. I'll add a new yellow tint and display new paints. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.